Welcome to Springfield's 2025 Block Party, powered by SELCO. We are here with the lovely Isaac Johnson. He is in a fabulous shirt.
Well, thanks.
Sporting all the fun times at the Block Party.
Yeah, thanks.
Isaac, I hear you just got here. Is that right?
I just got here. I landed. I got some pizza, and now I'm getting ready to just dive in.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What are you excited to experience today?
Oh, just people watching and the crowds and the energy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I'm gonna get a corn dog here, probably half an hour.
Oh, a corn dog?
Oh yeah, for sure. A hand-dipped corn dog. I mean, how can you go wrong?
I have heard they're fabulous.
I've heard that they look. I mean, they're big. So I'm like,
Home wreckers, huh?
well, yeah.
Okay, so I'm curious. So there's a lot going on here today.
yeah.
What do you think Springfield is doing a good job representing?
Oh, just diversity.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of different ages, backgrounds, ethnicities in this crowd.
Yeah.
It's really cool to see. It's very vibrant. It feels really genuine and wholesome.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel sketchy. It just feels welcoming.
It's very multi-generational, I've noticed.
I mean, just look at right here. You've got grandparents, children, parents, and grandchildren all within eyeshot.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
So sweet.
I wish it was this busy when I was doing my Planktown events.
Tell me about that.
Well, I did my pop-up bike shop every Sunday for 2 years. I was outside on that street corner doing free mobile bike repair, promoting
Wow.
downtown Springfield.
Thank you for your service.
And the new path that opened up. It was really fun.
I
Thanks.
bet. That's
It was
so
really
cool.
fun, but it was never during a block party. It was just during rainy winter months, and I'd get like 1 or 2 people, but they were super stoked.
Well, I bet if you showed up here at the block party, they would be stoked.
It would probably be too much for just me and my little repair service.
You probably just want to enjoy it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fair enough.
And Cascadia Mobility's here doing bike valet. They're not doing tune-ups, but they're at least filling that void.
Fair enough. All right. Do you think that you could handle the mechanical bull?
Oh. Yeah.
Do you think you can handle it?
Oh yeah.
Do you think you're going to win that $400 prize?
I'm gonna try.
Are you?
I might break a wrist or whatever. I'm gonna probably spend more on medical bills than $400, but yeah, I should probably do that first before I eat my corn dog.
Yep, maybe. Yeah, because you don't want to waste that corn dog.
No, you wouldn't want to.
You want to keep that on the inside.
You wouldn't want to chuck a $15 corn dog on yourself.
Is it $15?
I don't know. I'm just guessing. Everything is a $15 minimum.
It might be,
So
but it's worth it, right?
Oh, for sure.
Awesome.
I mean, walking around with anything on a stick while you're happy and eating something, that's worth it. Yeah.
Indeed. Well, Isaac.
So yes, I'm gonna try the mechanical bull. Will I win? I don't know.
Well, time will find out.
Am I gonna try? All I'm gonna say is yeehaw to that one.
Giddy up.
Giddy up. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. Isaac, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much
thanks.
for coming down. Enjoy your time.
Yeah, thanks.
All right. Take care.
Yeah.